Follow the step on how to make a simple curve text effect like this. First, create new document. You can follow this artboard size. Make rectangle for background. Fill color. Press Ctrl 2 to lock object. Prepare the text. I use font Montserrat. Size 280. Right-click and create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Set to center. Ctrl-C to copy. Change opacity to 45%. Go to Effect. Warp. Arc. I fill -6%. Ctrl-F to paste in front. Change color. Add stroke thickness. Set align stroke to outside. Change to white color. Go to Effect again, Warp, Arc. Fill -12%. Move this. Finish. Thank you. Clicking likes and comments really helps this channel continue to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.